Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to rename a member on your Facebook account in others friend in the rename. Now I'm going to the mobile apps in the WhatsApp. Now you can see, now show the WhatsApp. Now click from any name and or friend. Now select from profile. Now click from three dot option and click from edit option. Now choose from name. Now type your text in the name. Now click from save. That it's then change the name in the friends. Now you can see rename friend's name in WhatsApp account is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.